Well, I've just got to the farm doing a bit of ratting. It looks a bit quieter tonight. Normally there's a few around the cattle feed. Rifle's unloaded, by the way. I'm just doing a bit of an intro. Excuse me, anyone seen any rats? No? No. Anyway, let's have a look around. I'm using the HW100 in 177 sub 12 with the PAD DS35 scope with a ballistic calculator. Really handy for the close-up ones when you're trying to get your holdover right. Anyway, let's crack on, see if we can get any rats. Looks like it has one eye, that one. There's two rats there then. Oh, there's one there. Just range that. 30 yards, 35 I'd say. Let's look there. It's pretty much straight on the cross anyway at 30 yards. Beautiful shot. Now there was two there. Hopefully the other one will come back out. Only been here a few minutes and that's rat number 3 already. See what else is about. Didn't range that, so yeah, should have been a hole. Yeah, a little bit of holdover. It's okay, it's hit. It's number 4. That's the beauty of the ballistic calculator. A quick range. A little bit of holdover. Job done. Number 5. Okay, now I've jumped. That was funny. dog in the kennel there. Normally a few rats around here. I think he enjoyed that. Number 7 for the night. Definitely a bit quieter tonight than last time, but there's a few about. I was going to give that a second one, but I think we're okay. I think that's number 8 tonight. Ooh, that went left. Just under 50 yards. That was interesting. Could have been me wobbling on the sticks. Bloody things are wobbling like hell here tonight. Need to try this out to 50 yards. See what it's doing. Zeroed at like 18 yards. And move to the left a little bit. You're gone now. It was just between the bucket and the tyre of the Bobcat. That's there now. Just getting a bit of heat in the thermal through there. Yeah, he's under the Bobcat, just getting the odd bit of movement there, can you see that? See if he comes out again in a minute. There's a rat there. Is he on the machine or behind it? Knocked him off there. That's number 9, I think. A bit slow on the record button there. Nice 35 yarder in the hedge. Number 10. Just like I have no eyes. Nice to get that one. That was a close one. There's one up on the bobcat there. I'm getting a heat signature in there somewhere. Not there. Anyway, I'm not quite sure. Oh, there we go. I've seen a tiny bit of heat through the gap in the bobcat, and there he was. I think I've just shot number 12. Could be 13. I'll have to look over the footage. Yeah, there's a rat in the bobcat. Let's lift the sticks up a bit. See if he comes back out. Doesn't seem as busy as last time I was here. But I'm still on 12. I think I had, did I get 20 last time? Something like that. Anyway, see if he comes back out. Well, I must have got him because I could see blood in the thermal. Yep, it's bouncing around down the bottom. Just saw him there. Saw him kicking under there in the thermal. Could be number 13. Unlucky. Right, let's see if we can get any more. Well, I've just had 2 in quick succession. I didn't get a chance to press record. So that takes us up to 15. So it's getting better. Trying to thread the pellet through gates and things. It's going to be close. Anyway, 15, we're getting there. Decent results up to now. Well, he was definitely hit. Heard the thump. Number 16. Classic headshot, bouncing around everywhere. And there you are, job done. Another rat one in there. Oh, bit too slow on that one. I think I might be out of pellets there. I'm going to check the mag, I think. There's a few rats showing in here all of a sudden. I think I need to mag up. There's one there, look. In the drink. That was a beautiful shot, wasn't it? Admit it, you saw that and you said, hell of a shot. That was brilliant. Let's see if we get any more. That's number 18, so we're doing alright. Bit of a splash in there. Oh, beautiful 40-yard shot. How about that? Happy with that. Not too sure about that one. That'd been a miss. Well, it's gone a bit quiet now. I think I'll call it a night. Finished on 18 rats. Last time I think I got 19 here. So there's still a few around. I'll have to keep coming back. Anyway, thanks for watching. A couple of nice shots in there, I thought. A couple of missed ones as well. I don't mind showing the shots I miss, because it's quite funny and you guys can take the piss in the comments. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.